we're related to Jim Bowie.
Seriously?
Yeah. And
Holy shit.
yeah, and I'm good at throwing knives.
A Jim Bowie type. How about that?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Hi ho, Keegan the Vlog here. Welcome back to the channel, and we are headed down to Annapolis Cars and Coffee. Got a few adventures today on the Lambretta. This will be my chariot for the day. I think what we've got in store is a little bit of cars and coffee, and we're gonna go see a makerspace later on this morning. Roger, who you've seen on the channel, is part of a group that's got, well, we're gonna find out what he's got, but he's got keys to a pretty cool space that we're gonna go take a look at, and he's actually making some parts right now for Steve's Renault 4CV, which you've seen on the channel. It's been featured on a couple of videos about even getting the original motor on the car running again after 70 years, which is quite cool. Anyway, let's get downtown. Almost forgot my coffee. Okay, moment of truth. Will the coffee fit inside the cubby? Oh, yeah! Woohoo! Hey!
What year is it?
I think it's a 63. The title says 65, but they didn't make these in 65, so I think it was bought in 65, and that's why it says 65. So let me tell you, that really messed me up when I went to take the motorcycle safety class, because I learned how to ride on this thing. So they're like, you know, that you shift with your foot, and I'm like, oh, come on, man.
I had it down here.
Yeah, like I was good at it. Yeah, right.
Oh God,
So many things for free.
Here's somebody we know. Hey,
Keegan, how are you?
Good to see you.
As a kid, and we used to spend days, you know, an entire day just riding around. You could get, if you knew the system well enough, you could go over. Get on it.
Thank you, Mr. Miner.
Thank you, Mr. Miner.
Hey, chef, look what I found.
Oh, so you couldn't charge it? Yeah.
When I got there, I was a fan.
Beautiful car. Love those wheels.
We had one, I think it was 68. We got told up because of Vietnam.
Street rod. Jeez. Man, look at that. Man, I love that color. There you go.
That GT40 that was in here earlier, did you see that one?
No, I just got here.
Yeah, Le Mans.
Wow.
Number 9. He's been in here a few times.
Yeah, that's an R4.
R4. That's got to be 60s.
That's an 86.
That's an 86.
That's an 86.
That's
yeah.
a 1986.
1986.
Gorgeous.
Wow, there's actually somebody in the back seat. There's something you don't see every day.
Kid.
Look at that kid's baking.
So she's 22.
22.
And I love her.
Absolutely.
The last of the V12s.
I love your license plate too, dude.
Can you see it?
Dude abides.
Yeah, well, the dude abides.
Cool smell. That was quite the entrance you guys just made.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, you collected somebody, I see. So I watched the very beginning of that race. That was
exciting at the end.
Oh, was it?
He would have been in third on the podium, but he decided to pit to go for the fastest lap, and everybody, Verstappen, Perez, and Leclerc all pitted to put soft tires on. And Ferrari, when they got out, he spun and he got back on the track, but ended up coming in sixth. He had a podium, but he ended up coming in sixth.
Wow. Kickstand is lost a bolt on my kickstand. Unallocated.
Hey, how you doing? Got the up. You got the what?
Got the Wi-Fi up.
Good.
Hey, how's it going? My name's Keegan.
Hagen? James.
James, nice to meet you, James.
And his brother, Bowie.
Okay.
You got it right away.
Yeah, I got it. Real Jim Bowie type. All right.
Ironically, yes.
Okay.
We're related to Jim Bowie.
Seriously?
Yeah.
And you've heard of Bowie the place?
Bowie,
Yeah.
Maryland?
Yeah.
So, reason Bowie came here in 1706, his descendants moved to Georgia, their descendants moved to Louisiana with Jim Bowie, and our family splits in Bowie, Maryland.
Holy shit.
Yeah, and I'm good at throwing knives.
A Jim Bowie type. How about that?
Yeah.
You're better at that than I am.
Okay.
probably.
It started out as a hacking space for the drinking problem.
Okay.
So then we gave up the booze a little bit, and we
Okay.
became a drinking space for the hacking problem. Our core event is like Monday. It's a project night. People bring in their broken VCR. We show them how to fix it.
No kidding.
So they bring in their broken whatever, and we show them how to fix it.
Wow.
We teach soldering. We have a 3D printed robot combat league that meets here twice a month.
No kidding.
We do a lot of CTF challenges or cybersecurity stuff. But yeah.
So when you say hacker, like, I mean, are you guys like teaching certified ethical hacking and stuff
Yes.
like that? Okay.
So this will take a
yeah.
photo.
Oh, yeah.
And then burn
Yeah,
the
yeah,
photo.
yeah, yeah,
But the cool part is it also does round stuff. It's a laser cutter.
It's a laser
Oh,
cutter.
wow.
And you can do the most detailed, and especially organic materials. It works really well, like leather, but
Yep.
like acrylic, plexiglass,
Oh man.
leather. Yeah,
Beautiful.
Burn it in. So I think that's probably, is that a fiber or is that a?
This is CO2. That
Yeah.
is moly and etched.
Yeah.
So they put a moly coating on it and then etch
Okay.
it.
Yeah.
That's part of my iron lung that I made.
Yeah,
I'm Heath, by the way.
You made an iron lung?
Yeah, didn't you know about that?
No.
yeah, we have a.
I'm involved into it. See,
Yep.
this makerspace.
See, we
Wow.
we always
And it's very much like this
Yeah.
space. It's almost the same.
we went through it.
Uh-huh.
Breathing.
Breathing.
But it was basically
Yeah.
the space for the same price.
All right, yeah.
And we built this out, and you know, you had the bathrooms, had the.
Yeah, they're basically.
Yeah, but do you actually have to put a coin in it?
No, no, no.
Oh,
See,
yeah.
go to our webpage
Okay.
and you call the number and this rings.
No kidding. That's awesome.
Voice over IP.
Yeah, seriously?
You can order pizza on that right now.
You made a VoIP phone out of a payphone.
Yep.
All right. You said Maritime. You didn't have a shop that had a big old printing press in it that you sold to a dude named Dan back like in the.
That's Alex Topsy. I
Okay.
mentioned his name because the scooters he would redo Vespa scooters. So
Right.
I figured I'm like you might know who I'm talking about. But Dan rented a little space in there.
Yeah,
Dan Morris.
Dan Morris, yeah.
You know him still?
I still know him, but
I haven't seen him in a
he moved to Italy.
Okay,
Yeah,
that makes
so
sense.
yeah, I haven't seen him. Yeah.
Yeah, good for him.
I haven't seen him since probably the early 2000s.
Yeah.
So, all right, I'll be right back. I need to field repair the Lambretta. This is just a temporary fix until I can get back to my shop. Here is definitely the bolt we were missing. Now the question is, do we have a nut for it? I'm sure we can find one. I am sure we can find one. Field repairs complete. Kickstand working again. Hey, big thanks to Roger for showing us around the unallocated space today. That was really cool. I definitely want to go back up there on a Monday night when there is activity and see what's going on. So we'll bring you along for that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on TR3 Wrench Time, or something Wrench Time. See you next time. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. You wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Come on, Gus.